I'm Beverly Rich. I'm chairman of the San Juan County Historical Society, and we are here at the historic Mayflower Mill, just a couple of miles north of Silverton. This mill was a gift, a donation by Sunnyside Gold to the Historical Society, and we've turned it into a tour so people can see how the gold and silver and lead and zinc were processed, how they got it out of the rock after they got the rock out of the mine. With the donation came the water rights to Arrastra Creek. We decided you either use them or you lose them. So we were looking for ways to use our water rights. And one of the things we came up with was, why don't we put in a little hydroelectric plant?
My name's Dennis Kurtz. I'm a master electrician. My business is Silverton Electric and Electronics. The water for this project comes from Arrastra Creek, and it's about a roughly 1,000-foot drop that comes into here, comes to the mill property, wise off. Part of it goes to the hydro, and part of it goes up to water treatment plant. This portion here comes in here to two different nozzles on the turbine. And then once it's turned the turbine, the water drops down below and goes into a pipeline that drops the water back down into the animals where the water was originally supposed to go. So the water makes a full circle, and it's just used for its pressure and volume. That's all it's used for. And of course, it's all just to turn this little three-phase 480-volt generator right there.
We were trying to get permitted, and we had to go to the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission to get a permit to start up our plant. And it was entirely onerous. We had to go through every step like we were building a new Hoover Dam, literally. We managed, believe it or not, last year to get the only bipartisan piece of legislation through the Senate and the House, this is the federal government, to exempt small hydroelectric plants from going through the regulatory permitting process. We feel like we're part of the history of alternating current power, which started right here in southwest Colorado.